Think you know supercars? Only 5% of car guys can get a perfect score. Here's a supercars quiz to test your knowledge. Get ready. Which company manufactures the Aventador? A. Ferrari. B. Lamborghini. C. McLaren. Answer is B. What animal appears on Ferrari's logo? A. Bull. B. Horse. C. Eagle. Answer is B. Which company produces the Chiron? A. Lamborghini. B. Ferrari. C. Bugatti. Answer is C. What animal is featured on Lamborghini's logo? A. Bull. B. Lion. C. Horse. Answer is A. Which country is Ferrari from? A. Germany. B. France. C. Italy. Answer is C. Which manufacturer produces the Huayra? A. Pagani. B. Bugatti. C. Ferrari. Answer is A. Which supercar manufacturer is based in Woking, England? A. Aston Martin. B. McLaren. C. Bentley. Answer is B. Which manufacturer makes the SF90 Stradale? A. Lamborghini. B. Ferrari. C. Maserati. Answer is B. What type of engine is commonly found in many modern supercars? A. Inline-4. B. V8 or V12. C. 3-cylinder. Answer is B. Which manufacturer is known for the GTR? A. Toyota. B. Nissan. C. Honda. Answer is B. Were you smarter than 95% of car enthusiasts? Comment how many you got right.